Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to apply for a job on ZipRecruiter. So if you're looking for a new job and want to submit an application, then just follow along. First, sign into your ZipRecruiter account, then use the search bar to look for jobs by title, company, keyword, or location. You can also apply filters such as salary, employment type, or remote jobs to narrow your search. And once you find a position you're interested in, open the job listing, then read the description carefully. And if you meet the requirements, click Apply Now or the Available Application button. Then select the resume you'd like to use and answer any additional employer questions and review your application before submitting it. After you apply, you can track the status of your application from the Applied Job section. Continue checking your email and ZipRecruiter notifications in case the employer contacts you for an interview or requests additional information. So that was how to apply for a job on ZipRecruiter. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.